Foul. Who's foul the ref? Wearing jersey number 4. Chopping foul.
Hello.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Hindi, ito. Team...
Tata and free throw line.
Hindi kalaban lang.
Tanan mga mamalingay.
Mana? Ano yung pangalan na team lang?
Let's take a look at his second throw. Prepare jumper.
Hapas pa, hapas.
Hapas din. Hapas din.
No good. The rebound by Relativo. Back to Balihani. Lilis. Abang bola.
Nice! Nice! Nice!
It's Asma, Argent selection ball. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Lilis. No good. Rebound. Nakuha. Lilis foul. Foul. Who's foul the ref?
Mamana selection versus
Chopping.
Aslan
Foul.
and Hergen selection. Score 32. Wala yan?
Salutation ref.
Wala score ka?
First personal foul. First team foul.
32-28 in favor of Asna.
Third team foul.
Pamana warning for delaying the game. Mustad. Umikot, may sumamit, it's a foul. Foul, wearing jersey number 3, it's a blocking foul. Kamamara committed second personal foul. It's a 14 foul. Mustad, inaharangan, 14 to shoot. Down to 10. Tata, down to 5. Shoot to 15, may sumabit, it's a foul. Wearing jersey number 15, it's a pushing foul. Relativo committed third personal foul, penalty. May dalawang free throw ngayon si jersey number 13. Penalty situation. Tata rather. Substitution Relativo then Balihani Gamay. Halos Balihani magunitan na nasa.
Ay, yapil na kadismay min. Yapil na kadismay min.
Unang free throw ni Tata. Take a look. Miss for the first. Take a look for the second. Remaining 5, 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Official score 32-28. 4-point lead for Asna. Kamamara, ibinataw kay Balihani. Balihani pass kay Balihani. Fake.
Nice!
Nakakuha ni Bistal. Bistal ngayon nagmamadali para sa kanilang kupunan. Bistal, nakawala. Intercept by Kamamara. Balihani.
Albasar! Nice one! Albasar!
Pamana. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Time out, Pamana.
Alberto Amil Hamja.
Okay, mga players. Bagapot subahin sa kickball. Pag kickball, yapil o depensa. Tutuyoon og sipa, mao na siya kickball. Pero kanang mga pasa nga ikaw ni pasa, maigo ang sa tail. Dili na siya pwede pituan. Kaya balls on play man ta. Let's resume the game for the third, for the timeout. Kaka, dahil kayo nagtiti mo ng bola, naghanap ng kapasahan ng binigay. Kay Lawas,
Hey, Albaser!
for the rebound.
Relax lang.
Balihani ngayon, binigay kay Balihani. Hintes, Talinis, pass to Balihani.
Nice one, boy, man!
It's a traveling violation.
Boy, ang daming balihani.
Puro palihani.
Kaka ngayon, dribbling the ball, Kaka nakawala. May sumabit, it's a foul. Blue, wearing jersey number 13, it's a blocking foul, it's penalty situation. 18 rather, Balihani with the first personal foul penalty. Remaining time 2 minutes and 19 seconds. One point, Kaka. Take a look for the second.
Shout out, Siyang Palaman Balihani.
5-point lead. It's an air ball. Balihani. Ibinigay kay Talilis, take for the three. Wintes, Balihani kamay na kuha ng pula. Pass to
Balihani, Albaser.
Binaba para kay Kalawa. Wintes, by sumabit. It's a foul, it's a kupship. Foul, wearing jersey number 13. Hit.
Short, Kamamara.
Adam committed the first personal foul, first team foul.
Short na Mamara. Oh no. No good. Ang kalaban nila, Pamana Selection. Shout out, Alberto Amil Hamja.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 2 seconds.
Nice one, Kamamara.
Substitution will stall out. Buha ka bistal. Kinsa ka bistal isa? Wala naman ni Arok Kalim. Ay! It's an offensive foul. Elbow extension.
Madayon.
Dili, may tinuno. It's a traveling violation. Substitution. Adam, tataw. Substitution. Balihani, Kinsana. Tulong mo lang kamo. Jersey number 18. Bola lang, binigay kay Lawas. Pastor pa rin.
Go boy.
Inbound play ng Balihani. Binigay kay Balihani. Balihani nagtitimod para sa kanilang kumunan. Balihani nag-iisip. Humingi ng
Sure, Balihani.
Wintes, sabi ko po nakuha ni Lawas. Lawas ngayon nagmamadali. Lawas ngayon. Wintes, sabi ng buko, nakuha ni Omo. Bumumbong ba?
Nice one. Go, Talilis.
It's a symbol. 72 seconds more to play for the third quarter.
Go, Albaser.
Balihani Wintes. Perez for the rebound. Head ball position to Pamana.
Pamana.
Lawas. Lawas ko yun, sumulaksak. It's a traveling violation. Lane violation. Balihani, ginugulo ni Lawas.
Oh boy!
Intercept by Aro Kalem. Lea!
Nice!
More Balihani.
Nice one,
52 seconds more to play. Gandang depensa. Pulalon, Vintes. Nakuha ni Perez. Ang Vintes player. Last 40 seconds. Relativo. Intercept by Yomo. Pass to Pulalon. Lawas, Suboy.
Relativo.
Relativo.
Pass to
Pass to Balihani. Take 43. Vintes. Balihani
Boy,
for the
boy.
rebound.
Talilis. Oh! Oh, Albacer! Nice!
Last 10.
Nauno na.
Homo.
Oh, wala! Oh!
Last 1. End of the third quarter.
No, 33-35. Lamang na, duara. Sila, 33.
Official score 35-33.
35-33 in favor of Asna.
Ball position to Asna.
Uy, Bia, kaingat ka. Ay, pa.
Balihani. Pass to Talilis. Relativo.
Relativo. Pass
Ibinigay kay Balihani. Cross pass to Relativo. Time to shoot. May sumabit. It's a foul. Wearing jersey number 10. It's a pushing foul for Lalon. Bulalon committed first personal foul. First team foul.
Talilis. Oh!
Kamamara sa ilalim. Pinipit. Balihani. Third drop. Vintes.
Nice one, boy! Oh!
Intercept pa yun. Homo ngayon. Layup. 2 points.
Na, tayo score!
Tayo layup na madali. May sumabit.
Nice one, counted! Nice one!
Count ball.
Counted basket.
It's a legal use of hand.
Nice one, Albacer.
Aro Kalem warning for fouls out. Second team foul. May bonus free throw ngayon si Balihani.
Nice one, Albacer!
38. 35. 3-point lead. Aro Kalem. Bumalik. Basket back by Perez.
Na, tayo score na naman, guys!
Muntik lang naman. Balihani ngayon ang mamatay. Lawas ngayon. Level 2. Nakalabas. Nakuha ka rin ni Lawas. Lawas umigaw para sa tatlo.
Talilis! Nice one!
Omo ngayon pala kumoy. Omo level 2 shot. Omo ka rin.
Top 6 na ilang kalaban, guys!
Para sa kanila.
Nice! Oh, inuga! Wala!
Yes, 2 points Omo. Mabasa tatlo. emergency timeout. That's the balls on play of Kirag last 2 minutes.
39-42 in
Nabitawan.
favor of
Nakuha pa rin
Asna.
nila ang Tibo. 10 to shoot.
Talilis! Ala!
Kamana! Remaining time 3 minutes and 36 seconds. So official score.
Ang init ng labanan!
3 points.
39-42 in favor of
Wala na
Asna.
emergency timeout. That's the balls on play ha. Alag magdagandagan mo. Di kagit na i-honor.
Hoy!
Last 2 minutes lang na siya, pwede na to i-gather. Pero ka nanginginana sa iyo pa, din pwede.
Siban mo.
3 minutes and
Ay, wala na biyaw, no?
36 seconds. May
One.
play for the fourth.
DM in kalaban la?
Goni.
Atay, oy. Boy, boy!
Loose ball. It's a symbol. Bisbal. Ibinigay kay Perez. Naghahanap ng challenge.
Na!
Binigay kay Yomo. Pay!
Na!
Napakagat!
Relativo! Basto, Talis! Nice one, Talilis. Oh, oh, oh!
Ngayon, binigay kay Yomo. Tumira ng tatlo. Perez. Ay, sumabit. It's a foul. Sayang. Very jersey number 3. It's a holding foul. Kamara committed. Third personal foul. First team foul. Intercept.
Talilis! Relativo!
Simba. Substitution at Arukalem Ilawas.
Laruan niya, sayang ang manok.
Bisbal.
Oh, bye!
Oh, God.
Baluhani.
Boy, boy! Go, Albasar! Grabe.
Perez. Pass to Bisbal. By Sumamit. It's a up shoot. Foul. Wearing jersey number 3 again. It's a blocking foul. Kamamara.
Oh, Kamamara!
Second team foul.
Graduate ka ron, Kamamara.
Substitution pero foul. Kamamara. Balihani in. Kulalon. May dalawang free throw ngayon si Mista.
Kumana.
On the line. First throw. Mendes ang unang free throw. Tigalog 40 second. Remaining time 2 minutes and 21
Sayang yun ang Toronday. Cape Balihani.
Asa ba si Karay?
Salamba pa.
Mendes, Balihani for the rebound. Balihani ngayon.
Kay blocking!
Binigay kay Relativo. 14 to shoot. Down to 10.
39-44 in favor of Asna. Nice one, Talilis.
Tata.
Nice one, boy.
Last shot.
Talilis, pass to Abdul Haq.
10 to shoot.
Pass to Relativo.
Down to 5.
Shooting the ball.
14.
Abdul Haq. Sure! Talilis.
Down to 5.
Sure Heights!
Kulalon.
Oh, wala!
Mendes.
Go, go! Go!
Talilis to
10 to shoot.
Relativo.
Down to 5.
Relativo!
Sabay.
Ha?
3 to shoot.
2 minutes na lang.
Ay, take the shoot, take the shoot.
Ha? Yan. Bye bye!
Down to 10. Down to 5.
Talilis.
44 seconds for the play. Reset the 14. Foul. Winning version number 12 with a legal use of hand.
Score 39-46 in favor of Asna and Hergen selection.
Timeout from Mana.
2 minutes. 1 na lang. 44. Kaya pa na uwi.
Let's resume the game. Remaining time 44 seconds more to play for the fourth quarter. Reset to 14.
Aray, bantay ato.
And shoot.
Talilis.
Down to 5.
Boy, boy. Go Hards! Ay,
Lane violation. Last 25 seconds. Twenty-one seconds more to play.
O na, 21 seconds na lang guys.
Last 15. Down to 10.
Kahit?
Down to 5.
Yay! Winner, Asna and Hergen selection.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Final quarter.
Oh, live yan sila kuan, bracket. Oh, mag-igo din sila. Yan, number 1 naman sila.
Talunis.
Ha? Oh. Hindi, maglaban. Ito lang guys. Bye-bye.